Guys, this is real audio, real person, real message. Didn't ask for it, and it was after the person read the first volume of my series Apple Black. Completely real. This is what he said.
Yo, my Whyt Manga, I got a few words for you. If you ever stop drawing, I'ma chop your fucking hands off. Volume 1 of Apple Black was fucking dope. I'm sitting in my car and I read the whole fucking thing. I couldn't take my eyes off the damn pages. Hey, bro, I'm definitely getting Volume 2. Now, I seen your last video. You said Volume 3 is here. I'm gonna need Volume 3 too. And I'm assuming you making Volume 4. Like I said, bro, if I tie you up, put you in the basement, and slave you to work, bro, and pay you and feed you or whatever you need, bro. Hey, yo, Apple Black was dope. You did your thing, man. Please, just don't stop drawing. Alright? Alright, man, God bless you. Hope you succeed and hope you get to animation, dude. I would definitely love to watch if it's an animation.
Well, if anything happens, you know who did it. And buy my book. I actually need more crazy readers.
If he likes Volume 1 that much, how is he going to react to Volume 2, 3, and 4? I need to hide. Though, shout out to him. I actually love my crazy fans. Honestly, if I had 100,000 more of y'all, I'm getting an anime easy.
This is a meat locker. I'm not a big fan of the cold, you know.
Is that right?
Did I say meat locker? No way. In fact, it's a sauna here.
Hang on.
I really appreciate those who have gotten the books, those who've enjoyed it. I appreciate all the love and reviews, especially on Goodreads and Amazon or wherever you got the book. Those who do like video reviews of any kind, short form, long form, I usually share the content. And in the near future, I may do a reaction video to pretty much all of them. Y'all can also leave in the comments any manga reviewers that you guys think would be interested in reviewing, not just the Apple Black volumes, but also all the other volumes within Saturday AM that we have. If you yourself are a reviewer on TikTok or YouTube or IG, you can let me know in the comments or reach out to me on Instagram, and maybe I might be able to finesse some free copies your way. I just thought this was a fun audio from you guys, you readers of the book that enjoyed it. It brings joy to my heart, despite how crazy this was. The fan animation also looked cool, like that you guys made that. Curious to where you can get the books, there are links in the description. Appreciate all the love, do all the engagement stuff. Shout out to the 2.5 people that made the end of this video. Watch more videos, it's Whyt Manga. I'm Audi 9000.